We have some new machines we're going to show you. New releases just came out. One of them is so new that Robert's going to open it up. It's the first time anybody is going to see it.
Oh, so, on our show anyway.
On our show. Well, you know, the people that manufactured it, they saw it, and, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we should start with this. This is the new 10 needle from
this?
Brother.
What is this here? Wow.
Well, if you've heard me talk about it, I sew on a multi-needle. I did that a long time back. I started on a home embroidery machine, single needle sewing combo, and then I moved to a commercial machine, never looked back. So I'm kind of lazy like that. I want to hit a button and have the machine just sew, program all my colors in, and then go, look what I did. I worked so hard. But doesn't it look beautiful?
Hi, Rachel.
So that's what this machine does. So you've got 10 needles on this, so 10 colors. So you just program all of your colors into this, and this one has a really cool feature. It has a needle threader on it.
Yeah, that's cool.
So mine doesn't.
Yeah,
and that's nice because, you know, you use a smaller needle when you're sewing like this. It's a 7511, and so it has a really small eye. And, you know, when you get older and you have to wear glasses, and needle threader is kind of cool. So we've already got a program on here, so we're just gonna hit start, and it's gonna go slow and then speed up. We've got it running kind of slow.
Just keep the noise down a little bit.
Yep. But let's speed it up. And that's nice.
So can you do hats on here as well then, Joan?
You can. So I'm gonna slow it down again. Oops. Not quite that slow. Oh, it's finishing.
Yeah, it's going to the next one. So.
And it cuts the thread between.
Yeah, it's nice.
That is really nice. And 400. So it's got some really cool hoop attachments. This is for doing your jeans. So if you've ever seen the designer jeans with the embroidery up the side, they're like, you know, $130 for a pair of jeans, and you have an embroidery machine, you can do that. There is another hoop. If you can do quilting in this hoop with your embroidery machine. These are magnetic, so you don't have to fit your quilt down in between two hoops. You just use the magnets to hold it in place, so you can do an endless hoop and quilt a quilt as you go. So that's a lot of fun too. I just wanted to show you this. This is the large hoop for the, oh, you could almost like do a portrait, right?
Yeah.
This is the large hoop for the new Luminaire 2. It's a big hoop. You can do a lot of embroidery in here, multi hoops, all kinds of stuff. Touch screen, sewing and embroidery combo. I was thinking about this machine, and one of the things that we get asked a lot is, especially with machines like this, when we sell big embroidery machines, is, do I get training with them? And yes, you do. We do offer that. We will teach you how to use it. But then what happens when you're sewing and it's 9 o'clock at night and stores closed and you got nobody to call and ask your question? This one has built-in videos. I just turned it on, so it has to start. I like that with a little happy face. Please wait for a while. So this is really kind of a cool feature that, you know, you've got pattern, oh, not that one. Videos. So how do I wind my bobbin? And there's a video on how to do that.
That's nice.
So no more getting stuck at 9 o'clock at night when your store is closed. You've got all of that right here. Great machine, large embroidery area, sews well, embroiders well. There is a new hoop with this one too, right? The endless hoop.
Sash hoop. I think.
Sash hoop.
Yeah.
Yep. So, a lot of amazing stuff that you can do with this. One that
She was sewing.
Yep.
So that has a quilted hoop too.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I think so. You can use your embroidery machine to quilt for sure.
Yep.
So I like this little setup up here where you can have your thread raised up.
Yeah.
So
that's a couple of the new machines from Brother.
that's new this year from Brother.
I looked at the air threaders, and you know, we showed those a couple weeks ago at work, right?
Mhm.
Well, Bernina has one that's just pretty sweet. It is a, what's the number, an L850. And it's an air threader, but it doesn't look like the air threaders that we have at work. You don't see the little holes that the thread goes down through.
It doesn't even look like a serger.
It
No.
doesn't.
No, it looks like a beautiful sewing machine. And so what you have to do is open this up. You take the thread from behind.
You're not going to unthread it, are you?
No, no way. And so you bring it down through the track, straight down to the hole, and it's all color coded. And so when it's running, you stick about 1/4 to 1/2 inch down in that hole, and I assume there's a button here that you push. I haven't used it yet, but it'll grab that thread and just suck it right through all of those little areas that I couldn't get mine to go through. And you have it threaded in a nanosecond compared to my 1.5 hours and then having to redo it again. That was so
But
disgusting.
the air thread is for the loopers, not the needle.
Yeah.
Okay. So then for the needle, there's an air threader for that though
Nope.
too. There's not.
There's a needle threader though.
Yeah,
There's
there
a
is
needle
yeah.
threader. Okay, so you see, I haven't used it, and they
Yep,
asked
it's
me
brand
to.
new. We just got it.
Yeah,
so
so I'm not really sure everything I'm showing,
but we wanted to
but
show
I
it.
did. And look how neat it keeps the accessories here.
Yeah,
Isn't
that's
that
nice.
cool?
Yeah.
I think that's really cool. And so it had a piece of material here that I could go through and serge off. So I'll just finish serging that off and show you the wonderful stitches that it makes. And this is the way I cut my thread. I don't know if they want me to do that or not, but that's what I'm doing. So
It's got a little
It
longer
just-
extension table too, which is really nice.
yes,
So,
it's really
so
big.
you got some
You can
extra
do some
area to
bigger
work with.
projects, yeah, on it. But it makes really nice stitches. And
Yeah.
if you're fiddling around with a 19-year-old serger and still trying to thread it, which I have a feeling that's going to go on through the weekend, you need to look at air threaders, and this is a beauty right here. I would go to
Brand new. Yep.
yeah, I would go to my brother dealer.
They're Bernina.
Contact us. We can take care of that for you. And this is a perfect machine for you. So that's
Starter.
that's what I have.
So this is the 790 special edition. It has this beautiful blue and kind of really cool plate on it. This is a sewing and embroidery combo machine. With this one, you also get this machine. This is the 480. And the luggage. And the luggage matches the machine.
Pretty cool.
So they have
What a package.
I know. They have a little. So I'm going to show you the embroidery feature on this because they had just started it. It's a little pumpkin for Halloween.
Oh, it's sewing on the screen too.
Yeah. So you can see your stitches as they go. But I love this. This is beautiful. I mean, if you're going to sew on a machine, you might as well have it really beautiful, right?
That's their limited edition for the year, right?
That is the limited edition. We have a few of these. I'm going to stop it again. So we have a few of these in stock, and so come by and ask about those. We have one at Quilters HQ, still in the box. We haven't got it out yet, but they have it on display here at Windmill. So limited edition. They only made 1,000. Is that right?
I'm not sure the total number, but there's just a few of them, so
Yeah.
limited edition.
So great price on it, and you get a free machine to take to retreat,
luggage.
or if you have a younger person in your life that you want to teach to sew, this is perfect.
Well, it says BERNINA on it.
It
does
looks like
say
it's
that.
from Bernina.
Could be a bill.
You like those the best. Why don't you open them at the bottom? That seems to be where
What
it always
happened here?
is. Padded seat.
I wonder if it has an hour limit.
There's a book.
There's a book. And packing foam. Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh boy. What's in here? It's got little boxes.
Ooh. Cool stuff.
Accessories. So I believe this is the new Bernina L890. And this is finally us getting our floor model. We've had some pre-orders already.
What is it?
Yeah, is that a serger?
Yes.
Wow. Pretty nice.
It looks like a sewing machine.
Yes. Yep, it does have a touch screen. It looks like a sewing machine.
It does. It's a serger that looks like a sewing machine.
Maybe it's both. No. Oh, you can always try.
Well, I think you gave them an idea, though.
Yeah. So,
Come check this one out. That is very cool.
very cool.
Touchscreen serger. That's going to be really nice.
It's a good size to take to retreat too if you're doing a serger project, right?
Yeah, always take your serger if you get invited to a jelly roll race, because you'll win.
Joan, you'd win anyway.
yeah.
As fast as
I
you
don't know.
sew.
It might be neck and neck with the serger because they sew so much faster than your sewing machine. Again, air threaded. That looks like a 5-thread serger.
It
Yeah,
is
that's
overlocked.
what it has on top.
We're discovering this machine together.
Yes. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at those cover stitch too.
Yep.
Has the accessories in the front tray.
Mm-hmm. That's handy.
So we just got this. This is our floor model. We'll have one at Quilters and one here at Windmill. So if you're interested in finding out more about this machine, you can come in and try it out.
Okay.
Yeah.